You don't want to hire me.
Yet you need me.
Industry needs to hire 177,000 technicians this year, but schools are only graduating 32,000.
That gap's your pain point and your bottom line. Are you feeling the pain?
Less than 3% of all technicians today are women. Want to solve the tech shortage?
Welcome women.
I have dedicated my entire career to encouraging women to pursue their passions, but the reality is this industry isn't always welcoming. I know from my experience, as well as those of countless women who have shared their stories with me, that the intimidation, the struggle, the harassment, the challenges facing women in these trades is real and present, and it hasn't gone away.
I have to work harder to prove myself. I won't back down.
We need technicians, and yet we're not welcoming the other half of the population. Women can do this work. They want to do this work. Industry isn't always welcoming, and that needs to change.
I didn't ask to be a trailblazer, but here I am.